I have my sponge, I have my bucket, I have my shower. I'm gonna start to wash this car.
Where you run?
I'm washing my car.
How did you run it?
Yeah. Why you judging me so?
Family, yeah, clean your car phone.
I have to.
You don't need to do this in day and age, you know. I'm a portable cleaning device at home.
Serious?
It's called the ETAC GLX. You want it or?
No, not right now.
No.
Actually, how much it is?
Well, around 58,000
No, thank you.
USD.
No.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Alright.
2 hours later.
Can't believe it's taken me this long to wash the car. Right. Should I really take
Family, still drive this car?
Yeah.
Well, what's the stand now?
I'll take it.
Alright. Look up.
So tell me more about this device.
Well, we currently have about 4 prototypes in the making.
Prototypes?
Yeah, family, go yourself. The right size, come. Well, obviously, you have to know some engineering team.
Wait, are you doing these acquaintances?
Of course, you don't know what motto, quality over quantity, you know.
Okay, live up to that motto.
Here are these acquaintances. The objectives of a car washing machine is to minimize noise, ensure full automation, and optimize washing time efficiency. It should be cost effective, portable, and easy to maintain, with a reliable power source and lightweight design for mobility.
Portability is a key design factor for car washing machines, as it enhances usability and accessibility by allowing easy movement and use in different locations. A survey we conducted showed that 87% of customers prioritize portability. These findings highlight the importance of designing machines that are portable to meet customer needs and expectations. To measure this objective, we would measure the total weight of the machine and ensure it is within the specified limit for easy transportation, and would evaluate the machine's transportability by testing the ease of movement over different terrains and distances. Our research shows customers prefer a micro-sized weight, which is approximately on average around 40 pounds, and a pairwise analysis ran probability 5 out of 9 objectives, highlighting its design. The power source is crucial for ensuring sufficient energy, reliability, and environmental sustainability in a car washing machine. Survey results have shown that 61% of customers prefer battery power, valuing mobility and energy efficiency. However, the TOS chart as shown indicates that power source ranks 7 out of 9 objectives, suggesting customers prioritize other factors over the type of power source used. To measure this objective, we will monitor the energy consumption and efficiency of the power source, ensuring it meets specified performance standards. Cost is vital in designing car washing materials, impacting material choice, manufacturing, performance, and market appeal. Balancing affordability, durability, and efficiency ensures a cost-effective, high-quality product. Surveys show that customers are willing to pay up to $1,500 for our product, and a pairwise comparison analysis showed that customers find cost and mobility equally important. To measure costs, we would evaluate initial and operational costs, ensuring affordability and efficiency, which meets customer needs while maintaining competitiveness.
Noise reduction in a domestic motorized automotive cleaning machine for Sedan vehicles is to minimize operational noise while maintaining efficient water and soap usage. Based on a survey, persons can tolerate about 40% the noise of a pressure washer. This can be measured in decibels. Based on the pairwise comparison chart, noise reduction ranks as the second most important objective. However, automation ranks 5th on the pairwise comparison chart, as it only involves minimizing the manual effort of the user. Now, persons prefer a self-operating car cleaning machine that can be controlled by the cell phone or remote. The degree to how automated is automated can be measured by the amount of manual human involvement in each task, like soaping or drying. According to our survey, 80.6% of participants prefer a machine that can clean the car's exterior within 30 minutes or less. Hence, the time consumption is crucial as it boosts convenience and efficiency, ensuring the same standard of quality in a shorter period of time, which increases customer satisfaction. To measure this, we could track the average time to a full car wash cycle. The pairwise chart also highlighted time consumption as a top priority, ranking 3rd out of 9 key objectives in the design process.
Cleanliness is small function of our domestic automatic cleaning machine, and it ensures removal of your dirt, grime, and debris, especially hazardous areas such as your rims, tires, and the roofing of your car. Based on our survey, users prefer cleaning to be completed under 30 minutes compared to the normal cleaning time that is either 30 to 45 hours. This level of cleanliness can be measured by a gravimetric analysis that is 0.01 to 0.001 grams per centimeter square accuracy. It is most important in the pairwise comparison chart as it scores 8, which shows a significance to its users. Additionally, storage ensures sufficient soap, water, and capacity while maintaining portability and ease of use. Based on evidence, users prefer using a household soaps in this device. However, it scored a 0, which is least important in the pairwise comparison chart, which is not being considered our users. Lastly, mobility scores 2, moderately important, but it enables movement around the car, navigating obstacles for full exterior cleaning. Preferred features would be remote and full control operations, since it will enhance its automation while moving. Mobility can be measured by the time it takes the distance traveled during its cleaning operation.
This is the ETAC GLX1. It is a battery-powered portable car cleaning device that can be controlled via phone upon downloading an app. It uses caster wheels for freedom in making turns easily and performs all the necessary functions like washing, soaping, scrubbing, rinsing, and drying. This concept has 4 extendable support pillars and uses proximity sensors to reach the required height of the portion being cleaned. There are also 4 adjustable nozzles, 2 for water disposal and 2 for soap disposal. The pattern shows a faucet assembly whose spout is multifunctional with a disposal range of spread from a single stream to an aerated spray. It has a rotary selector valve ring which allows the user to choose the stream they prefer. The robotic arm, which extends similarly to the support pillars, reaches out and scrubs the car without damaging it. After soaping and scrubbing the car, the soap is rinsed off in the same way it was first washed. Now, the drying function is performed by use of a fan, which is detachable for the scrubber, and a wiper, which passes along the surface of the car. The pattern shows a rubber squeegee type blade mounted in between brackets and is attached to the rotatable wiper arm. This is to maintain as much contact with the car's surface as possible to eliminate water spots and overall obtain a higher quality clean.
Let me introduce you to the GLX2, the ultimate portable and fully automated car washing solution. This battery-powered remote control device takes care of washing, scooping, scrubbing, rinsing, and drying in all one compact, easy-to-use package. With smart controls, image sensors, and pressure sensors, the GLX2 optimizes every step to give your car a spotless, flawless finish, all while being portable enough to use anywhere at any time. The GLX2 is inspired by innovative technology in patent US 119-61285B2, which utilizes sensors and cameras to detect vehicle contours, dirt levels, and hard-to-reach areas. We've taken this technology and adapted it for a more compact personal use system. The GLX2 scans your vehicle, adjusting to its unique shape for an efficient and precise clean, no matter the car's size or design. Another key feature that sets the GLX2 apart is the retractable extendable arm, inspired by the patent US 1106836B2. This robotic arm is designed for precise dynamic movement, allowing it to extend and retract to reach every inch of your car's exterior. Whether it's reaching over the roof or around your tires, this arm ensures full coverage, handling the cleaning with accuracy. The built-in scrubbers work in harmony with the arm's movement, scrubbing away dirt and grime while adjusting to different angles and surfaces for a thorough clean.
The idea behind ETAC's GLX Concept 3 was to bring a typical car wash system directly to your home, providing a convenient way of cleaning your vehicle's exterior. The process of cleaning a car begins with a thorough wash using a soap and water mixture. This design includes a soap inlet where clients can add a preferred cleaning solution. This soap and water mixture is distributed over the vehicle from the overhead section of design using sprinklers, as illustrated in diagrams. After washing the vehicle, the design transitions to the brushing and drying phase. The integrated nylon car brushes labeled in diagram both spin and sweep against the vehicle surface for cleaning and drying. A similar mechanism is demonstrated by the wash equipment labeled 114 in the pattern. Drying on top of the vehicle is not forgotten. as you have incorporated dryers positioned in the same overhead section as the sprinklers. These dryers remove the water from the vehicle surface, preventing water spots and potential damage to the car. This dryer mechanism is also demonstrated in the reference pattern. Additionally, this concept incorporates proximity sensors, which detect the presence of the vehicle and activate the necessary mechanism. As for the mobility aspect of design, it is mounted on heavy-duty caster wheels which are capable of withstanding the weight and facilitate easy movement around the vehicle.
The ETAC GLX form is just a concept, but it is designed to integrate essential cleaning functions while specializing in area mobility. For comprehensive exterior cleaning, it features functionalities that enhances its overall efficiency and effectiveness, such as orientation sensors. They optimize automotive cleaning by enabling dynamic nozzle adjustments based on a sedan's position and contours, by providing automated precision, which adjusts jets for optimal coverage, adaptive targeting, real-time nozzle direction for efficient cleaning, water efficiency to minimize overspray and water waste, enhanced mobility, adaptive vehicle movement for automated or manual use. Foaming action. This system uses high-speed airflow to mix with a cleaning solution, generating a rich foam for car washing. This foam is evenly sprayed through a nozzle with adjustable thickness for various cleaning needs. Its compact, fuel-efficient design ensures portability and cost-effective operation, making car cleaning faster and more effective. Drying action. This compact duct turbofan engine generates a high-speed airflow for rapid vehicle drying. Its energy-efficient design enables cost-effective operation, while adjustable airflow and a dual duct system enhances drying speed and coverage. It's ideal for portable cleaning machines and it ensures fast and efficient drying.
Finally!
Yeah, family, does it come again?
Really?
Yeah! I'll finish your kind of
Alright, I'll take your word for it.
Promise.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay,
Alright.
I'll keep in touch.
No problem.
One semester later.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, who's this?
You don't remember me? You're the person who sold me the ETAX GLX series machine.
Oh, it's you! How did it work?
It's actually going really well. You know, it was able to clean my car super fast in probably under half an hour. It was able to make no noise. I didn't have to do no work to clean the car. And it made my car look so spotless. The tires, the rims, all those difficult places. It cleaned it so quickly.
Well, I tell ya, I didn't lie, you know. I tell you what, I worked in 2 tools.
You sure live up to those expectations you set for yourself.
Well, you know, we motto quality of a quantity.
I just wanted to call to tell you that it worked really well. Thank you.
No problem, family. Later.
Bye-bye.
Director directing. Watch.
Action.
I hope this... we can start over.
So after highlighting, design important photos, bam.
1, go.
So fed up, look at them.
Action.